Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're a newbie. I'm Mackenzie and today I'm dyeing my hair pink. Where did I get this inspiration? I got this inspiration from Piper America a long time ago. I don't know if you guys know who like Lucky Bluesmith is. He's a model and his sister's Piper. She had pink hair for a second. I'll insert some pictures right here. I have saved these in my like saved posts for so long, for as long as I can remember. So that's why I'm doing it. And it's temporary, so it won't last long. So here's the situation. So I have 3 hair dyes because I think people only use 2 and then they run out, but I bought 3 because I have so much hair it's ridiculous and I didn't want anything to happen where I have patches of blonde, so I got 3. I am not doing it on myself because I am scared of that, so I'm having my cousin come in do it for me because she's like my 3rd sister and I seriously wouldn't trust anybody else, honestly, besides my hairdresser, obviously. Also, side note, I texted my hairdresser. I babysit her kids, and so like her and I kind of have like a closer relationship than any like normal hairstylists and their clients. I texted her and I was like, what do you think about like temporary pink hair dye? She's like, no, like nothing is as permanent or nothing is as temporary as it seems. She's like, I'll give you pink shampoo. She went out of her way to give me pink shampoo. So basically you wash your hair with this and it turns it pink. If this doesn't work out, then I'm gonna try this. So yeah, that is the video. This is my hair color now. It's really blonde. It's the blondest I've ever been, and I get my hair done Thursday to get it lightened. So hopefully this doesn't last that long. It says 4 to 8 washes or 2 to 5 shampoos. Even better. Yes, let's do this.
For me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, it's so cool looking. Okay, so this is my hair, the final result. I'm so happy with it. I think it's such a fun color, and I've never had a different color hair besides like brown and blonde. I'm legit obsessed with it, and it's so cute and just fun for a couple of days. like I said, it's like temporary, so it washes out. Hopefully, because I have a hair appointment Thursday to go blonder. I'm gonna curl it right now, and then I'll let you guys know. I'll like film how it looks and stuff like that, and so you guys can see what it looks like styled. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna take pictures with it and stuff, and then post to Instagram. And then tonight I'm probably just gonna edit this video to get it up for you guys so I can post it, and then you guys can watch this video. I'm gonna go ahead and curl it, and see you guys when it's all curled and styled. Alright guys, this is my hair. It's so fun. Yeah, I look kind of crazy because I don't have makeup on, but the pink is so much fun and I am so obsessed with it. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me while I dye my hair. Let's hope this washes out in time for my hair appointment Thursday. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys go follow my Instagram just to see the pictures I take tomorrow with my hair. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, bye.